reading about Prophet Muhammad's life, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how he treated animals, even animals, went to the animal, and the animal had smoke coming out of his nose. The horse had smoke coming out of his nose. And this is one of the miracles of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And he said, who did this to you? He's speaking to the horse. Who did this to you? And Allah allowed him to be able to have that horse tell him that his master did it to him. Because he had branded him. The master, the owner of the horse, had branded him on his face. So the smoke was coming out of the nostrils of the horse. And the Prophet ﷺ admonished that man, and he told the Muslims to this day that when you brand on their backside. And Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhuma wa radahuma said he was the first person to brand on the backside. Right? Maybe that's the reason why the people with the cattle branded on the backside to this day, because of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the whole treatment of the air and the water and the trees and the animals and the human beings, to look at something like that, that's transforming. For me, it was transforming. That this man is a perfect example. There's no example greater than him. Nothing did he ever oppress. He never oppressed anybody, never hit anybody outside of war. And even in war, you can't cut down trees that bear fruit. You can't kill children like they're doing today. You can't kill women. You can't kill the elderly. If a person drops, he could be the most vehement, most nefarious, unscrupulous, evil enemy of the Muslims. If he drops his weapon on the ground, you can't strike him. SubhanAllah. That's from Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You can't strike him. When I read things like that, I said, that's it. He's the man. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And that's what I'm following.